bata o kahit po siguro sa mga magulang, mga guardian, malaking factor po talaga sa bukasyon sa pagbabari yung pagsilingkod sa simbahan. Kahit sa anong ministry or organization, pag naging active po talaga sa simbahan, kahit paano malaking tumulong sa pagpapalago ng bukasyon. So, yun, katulad po namin, no? Laking altar server po, no?
Si FC, nakatulong ba sa'yo yung...
For the 19 crew, it would be the 88 AMG that would take the race win. Pure Racing would claim the championship win. Teams champions. The number 4 car, George Kurtz, with Colin Brown and Milton Jakobsen. Excellent results for them across the season. Pure Racing would match their European Le Mans Series Championship in LMP3 with the Asian Championship. Alexander Bekantsov and James Winslow would claim the title, but it would be Klaus Bakler, Joel Sturm and Alex Malikin, champions for Pure Racing from Lithuania at the start of only their second year in GT3 racing. Absolute unmitigated joy for the little team that could.